Hello, 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 and welcome to Recipe of the Day. Here we are. It is Recipe of the Day time, and we have a couple great things lined up for you today because it is coming up on Father's Day. And what's better for Father's Day than a little bacon? We got 2 bacon recipes today that you can make for Father's Day. So let me get you guys up here and we will be ready to go so I can see your comments because I like to see my people. I love my people. So here we go. Welcome. So today we're going to make a couple recipes for Father's Day, and I thought what's better for that than bacon? And not only bacon, but bacon and cheese. So we're going to be making 2 appetizers that will work great for Father's Day. And we're going to make a jalapeno cheese bacon ball. And then we're also going to make a bacon cheddar wrapped tater tots. So how yummy are these? Easy and quick and yummy. And let's get started. I have an Instagram. Hi, Instagram. I've got my mixer here. So I'm going to get started. I've got 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. So I'm going to get these going in the bowl here and get them off my paper here. Always want to get them a little softened so they'll whip up nicely. So I've got my cream cheese going in. So 1 there. And then here's another one. Here we go. 2 blocks of softened cream cheese in the pool here, going in. Okay, yummy. Oh my gosh. Softened. Got to get it out of the package when it's softened, but we're getting it out here. Okay. Cream cheese in. And then I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of cheddar, and I have it grated here, ready to go. So we have 1.5 cups here. I'm going to measure it very carefully. 1.5 cups of cheddar going in. So that's about that. And then I have I have bacon all cooked already. So I'm going to put about half of this bacon in. Hey Jill and Erica, hi guys. We're making a couple of Father's Day appetizers and bacon and cheese. So I've got the bacon going in here. Oh my gosh, yummy. And then I have about 1/2 cup here of green onions chopped, and I'm going to put about half of those in. So half of those. I'm going to try and lean toward the whites there, going inside our bowl. So green onions in, check. And then I have 2 finely diced jalapenos here, and there I'm going to use about half of those into the middle. Now if you know your crowd, like if I knew who was going to be at my Father's Day party, I might use serranos in this, or at least a couple of serranos, but I am just using the jalapenos today. In that I'm going to put some couple tablespoons here of sour cream. I already got it out and measured it, so that's going in. Oh my goodness, yummy. That's in. And then I'm going to put some fresh ground pepper in here, yummy. You know I love pepper and I love fresh ground, so we're just going to have at it here and put plenty of pepper in our jalapeno bacon cheddar cheese ball. When's the last time you made a cheese ball when it wasn't Christmas time? Oh, how about Father's Day? So that's going in, and then I'm going to put a little onion powder and a little garlic powder. Now you could use fresh if you wanted, but I think in something that I'm not going to cook, I wouldn't want to blow people away with fresh garlic. So I am going to just put about 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder in here. Ooh, and I will taste it to make sure it has enough spice before we roll it into a ball. But there we go. Hey Florence, how are you? Welcome. We are making a couple Father's Day bacon and cheese appetizers that are easy to do. And I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, which is right here in front of me. So get a little bit of onion going on here too. And of course I have the green onion in there already. So let's give this a whirl. Hold on. There we go. And while that is whirling, hey my Instagrammers. How are you? Welcome. Okay. Oh my goodness. That just looks awesome. So let me just give that a little taste because I want to see if I need to put salt in that or not. Cheese has a lot of salt, so I'm always careful about the salt before I salt it. So let's do this. Oh my goodness. I mean, what wasn't going to put a little bit more pepper in? With bacon and cheese and cream cheese and green onion and jalapeno. Oh my gosh, yummy. Hey Jen, what's happening, girl? Is it a special day today? Could it be? Okay, so there is our, now the fun part. Okay, you guys, let's see how this works out live. I have my plastic wrap that I opened, made a piece before you got here. Let's see if I can make it not stick to itself. And then I'm going to take our yumminess here, our Father's Day easy yummy appetizers, what we're making today. So, oh my goodness, this looks yummy. So, anytime you make a cheese ball, now whatever you like, cheese ball wise, go for it. Same as pimento cheese. Everybody has their own favorites, and if you have something you love, you can make a cheese ball out of anything you love. And everybody always loves a cheese ball. So this is how you make one, in case you never have. So now I'm going to take our cheese ball yumminess here, and I'm going to put it on my plastic wrap, and try and, woo-wee, try and get it in the middle. Wah! What are you doing this afternoon? Well, I'm making a cheese ball. Oh, funny. Crack myself up. Okay, this cheese ball gonna be one mama cheese ball. I probably could have made two, but I'm making one for demonstration purposes. Oh my goodness. So, it is going on here on our plastic wrap. So now I'm going to take my plastic wrap and I'm going to form this baby into even a more ballish shape, best I can. And then, once I get this baby in a ball shape, we are going to refrigerate him overnight. And then before we serve him on the platter, you can refrigerate this for several days. It would be fine. You're not gonna, the longer it stays together, the more the flavors meld together. So there's our ball. So we'll take our ball, put it in the fridge overnight. So now before I serve it, I'm gonna take my green onions, because half are inside, the other half of the bacon, the other jalapeno, and a little bit of the grated cheese, the things that are inside, and put it all out on a plate. Roll our cheese ball in our ingredients that are on the inside, and then boom, it'll be pretty with all the flavors of the inside on the outside and decorated, so people know what's inside it based on what's on the outside. So there we go, Father's Day cheese ball with bacon, cheddar, jalapeno, green onion, yummy! So that's awesome. So that's done. So I will move this back a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to make our second recipe for today. And it is going to be bacon and cheddar wrapped tater tots. I mean, yum and easy. Easy for Father's Day, but yummy. So let me get my board in front of me here. Hold on a second. Get back here. Okay. And I have, gonna pull this over here so Instagram can see. Okay, Instagram. Remove our cheese ball ingredients here. And I've got just frozen tater tots that I bought. And then Instagram, there we go. Cheddar cheese, and I cut it into little slices here. And then the bacon, I took the bacon and I quartered it. So this is, took the slices and quartered them. So here's a quarter of a slice of bacon. We got a tater tot, piece of cheese, tater tot, roll it up. You don't even need a toothpick, it sticks. So then you put it seam side down on the cookie sheet, and of course I use parchment. I saved my cookies to show you. I cooked some of these all ready. So seam side down on the cookie sheet, and then they cook for about 24 minutes. 12 minutes in, I flipped them and then cooked them on the other side, and look at these yummy things. These were easy and so good. Again, you could also put inside this whatever you like. Pepper jack, jack, Swiss. You even put a little piece of jalapeno inside this, or serrano. I would love that. Spicier the better. And then when they're done, you have these yummy little cheese jalapeno bacon. Can you see how yummy these are? Little tater tots. And actually, because now you can't really tell there's a tater tot inside it once it's cooked, so you pop it in your mouth and you're going to surprise your guests or your Father's Day that there's a tater tot inside there. So I mean, again, perfect food. Bacon, cheese, tater tot, yum, and easy and fast. So again, these two, you could prep them and roll them in advance. Put them in the fridge till you're ready, and then boom, put them on the cookie sheet and go. And they pull them out, serve them warm, and you're good to go. My studio audience has already tasted these, and they got the thumbs up as soon as I took them out of the oven, because I just cooked a couple while I was waiting for you guys. So that's our two yummy Father's Day bacon and cheese ideas for appetizers for Father's Day. So let me know if you guys have other ones you are going to be making for Father's Day. What are you doing to celebrate? Things are slowly getting open, and I don't quite know what we're going to do yet, but something, because Sunday is Father's Day. Just for those of you who don't know what day it is and what time it is, Father's Day is this Sunday. So there's your first two appetizer ideas to get started with. And we have a very special guest on today. We have the birthday girl. Birthday shout out to Jennifer Del Castillo. Happy birthday to you. What are you doing today, girl, to celebrate your birthday? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. So you doing something fun? I'm sure it's a beautiful day in San Diego too. Oh, got my hair all messed up. So happy birthday to you. I actually made a list, because now I don't do these every day. Yesterday's birthdays, we had Mary Chris Norris, happy birthday to you, and Barbara White and Lois Christensen. Tomorrow, happy birthday to Tim Comstock, because it's his birthday, the insurance dude. And then Friday, we have two special people. Our good friend Mike Rovner, happy birthday to him. And then my brother-in-law, Tom Midas, it's his birthday on Friday too. So this is a busy birthday week here at Recipe of the Day. So I will move on to our drawing. So we have our drawing today. I'm going to be doing the portable picnic blanket. That I have a little portable picnic blanket. And then I also have one more of the passport cover and matching luggage tag. So hopefully we get to travel again sometime soon. So that's what I've got today. I've got the luggage tag and the portable little travel beach blanket, which is really cool. So if you have liked or commented on these videos, you are in the drawing. So I will reach in here and see who we've got today. It is Kelsey Duncan. Kelsey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. You're my winner today for the drawing. I don't think it's your birthday today, that you won my drawing here. And then let's see who else is in here. Oh, and Mary Lee Blaylock, you are the winner today. So she's the CEO of our company at Berkshire Hathaway. So happy birthday to you. I hope you're doing something fun today to celebrate your birthday. And we are all getting back to work. Our office is officially going to be opening again, so we're very excited, of course, with all the precautions. So we are doing the cooking show. It's been so fun. I love seeing all my people. And then also our real estate coming back full steam. Our spring season has been pushed forward, and we are getting very busy. So if you know anyone thinking about buying or selling, it's a great time. Interest rates hit record lows again, under 3%, which is crazy. Prices have gone up because of good old supply and demand, economics 101. So let us know if you're thinking about selling. There are buyers in the market and not a lot of inventory. So visit us at GaryandLisa.com. The recipes, I will put these here below on Facebook. I will also put them on YouTube. On our YouTube channel is Ventura Real Estate, so you can see us there too. So thank you for watching. We love you guys. Hey Vivian, thanks for jumping on. And we will see you again. We try and do these Wednesdays and Saturdays at 3 o'clock live. So we love to see you. Stop in and say hi. And happy birthday to my girl Jen. She's a dear friend and a client, and we miss you. She moved away, but we love you, girl. So have a great day. Remember, the only two things you can control are your effort and your attitude. So pick a good one and always do your best. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.